Sam Goldwater here with Upwind Outdoors. We're going to continue our series on reloading. Today we're going to talk about this item right here, a Lyman Case Prep Multi-Tool. So let's open this up and get started. Alright, so now we've opened it up. Let's kind of talk about what it comes with. You get the packaging itself. It doesn't really come with any directions, but it does explain what all the different tools are. You get the handle. There is a large and small pocket reamers for your primer pockets. You get a large and small primer pocket cleaning tool. There is a outer case deburring tool and a inside deburring tool, which is set to a 22-degree angle. Now this tool also comes apart and allows you to store everything inside. Basically all your cutting heads and cleaning heads come right off, go inside the tool. You can then screw it back together, hide everything away nicely. Alright, so let's try her out. Alright, so we're going to try this tool out. We're going to start by reaming the inside of these fresh Starline cases. We're just prepping them to load them for the first time. This tool actually cuts pretty easy. And now the outside. And you get a nice clean case. It gives you a nice angle, easy to insert your bullet. You're not going to deform a lead cast bullet too much after you've done that. Let's try another one here. Insert, twist, get a nice angled cut on there, and then ream the outside. Do a couple more here. And it's that easy. Alright, I've switched the heads out here for the pocket reamer and the pocket cleaner. We got some used 4570 brass now. This stuff's been fired a few times with black powder. This case we have here has a little bit of a ding here in the primer pocket, so we're going to ream that out, which works extremely fast. Actually, this pocket reamer works really good. And then we're going to clean that best we can. And it comes fairly clean. Got a couple more here. These ones don't have any dings in them, but we'll clean them still. Alright, those are clean. Once you're done using it, you can pull all the bits off. Pull the handle apart. And everything conveniently stores right inside the unit. And that's it. All 6 cutting pieces are in there in a nice convenient package. This tool seems to be very well made. The handle seems to be aluminum. Cutting heads work really good from what we can see. I can't really talk about the longevity of the unit. I haven't used it much. We just picked it up a couple of days ago before we made this video. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and check out some of our other videos on YouTube. Tune in next week for another video.